So here we have our other 65-inch TV. It's a Sony KD-65X750H, and it's turning on, but it just has a black screen. So let's open this up. Here's the inside of your TV here. Hundreds of LEDs, and if one of the LEDs breaks, then the electricity can't flow through down the rows here. You can see that this light's working, but if I put my probe up here, it doesn't go. So that means that this is a bad LED. I got the filter. And yes, indeed, she's burnt, busted. So we just have to fix that and it should be able to be off the old one. Volt LED. Plug it back in and make sure that all the LEDs are working.